Many people are asking themselves the question, what does our economic future look like? And we've been able to show them a low carbon economy future with the technological opportunities that are associated with that.
Decarbonising the global economy, or any economy, requires a heroic undertaking.
To reach an agreement that will limit temperature rises to less than 2 degrees Celsius is an objective that requires global leadership and global governance.
Decarbonising the economy is really difficult and has a lot of opposition, and it's not something that is easily understood. So every agreement, every movement forward helps get to the goal.
Not only is this a massive challenge about protecting our planet, it also represents a very positive economic opportunity.